Notifications keep you informed, but too many can quickly become overwhelming. In this video, we will explain how to manage notifications in Windows. Open Settings and go to System, then Notifications. Here you control the entire experience. At the top, you can turn all notifications on or off with a single switch. Below that, you will find a list of every app that can send alerts. Scroll through and decide which ones truly deserve your attention. Turn off the noisy apps you do not care about. For each app, you can fine-tune how its notifications appear, whether they play as sound or show on the lock screen. To avoid interruptions during important moments, use Focus or Do Not Disturb. It silences alerts while you work, present, or play games, then delivers a summary afterward. You can even schedule quiet hours automatically. Notifications should serve you, not stress you. By taking a few minutes to customize them, you create a calmer, more focused computing experience where only the messages that matter actually reach you.